Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the game. That was close. So the point of this game is for kids to start to understand how their multiplication chart connects to division. So to play this game, I'm going to give the kids a row and a number. So I'm going to tell them they're going to be working in row 7 and their number is, let's go, 36. So what that means is they need to go to the 7's row. Okay, so if I'm going to go across here in the green, I'm going to go to the 7's row. And I'm going to look for 36 across the 7's row. And I'm looking for a number that is close to 36, but I cannot go over 36. I have to get as close to 36 as possible in the 7's row. So I'm going across the 7's row, and look, I find 35. That is as close as I can get to 36 without going over. So once I get my 35 there, then what is straight up on top? And I notice that the number up on top is 5. So the blue number on top goes in the blue box on top. And then I'm done. And then the kids would show me the board and I would say, all right, if you have 5 and 35, you get a point. So they're going to start to realize through playing this game, that was close, because they're trying to get as close to this number as possible without going over, that this is the multiplication fact. 5 times 7 equals 35, and that is as close as I can get to this number. Now, I'm just setting up this idea. That's all I'm wanting to do. Eventually, what we'll learn to do is after we've set up this idea is subtract and we'll have a remainder. But it is this basic principle of getting closest to the number without going over that helps them understand how to divide. So then I'm going to give them another row. All right, let's try again. This time you're going to work in the 6's row and you're going to try to get as close as possible to 55. So then they go over here to the 6's row. So they circle 6. They go across and they're looking for something close to 55 without going over. And it's 54. I found my number that's close to 55. It's 54. And then what number's on top? 9. And then I'm done. You got it. And then they're going to start to realize 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 6 equals 54. Okay, it's just a backwards multiplication. So then I would say, all right, get a point. Erase your boards. All right, next number. Okay, this time you're going to be in the 4's row and you're going to try to get as close as possible to 35. So then they go over here in the green to the 4's row. They go across. They're trying to get as close to 35 as possible. And 36 is too big, so they need to go to 32. So 32 is as close as I can get. And then what number's on top? 8. All right, you got a point. Erase. Next number. Okay, erase. The next row, you're going to be in the 10's row. You're looking for 121. So then they go to the 10's row. They go across. They're looking for 121. 120 is as close as I can get. So 120 is as close as I can get. And what number's on top? 12. And they're done. And that's the game. That was close.